In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Google. Now choose All Services and scroll again to hit Autofill with Google here. Now tap on Google Password Manager. Select the password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you're finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!